Chief Justice Martha Koome has raised concerns over rising hate speech, organized gangs, and the misuse of technology, warning that these issues pose a serious threat to the 2027 general elections. Speaking at the launch of Judicial Committee on Elections Operational Plan, Koome reaffirmed the judiciary's commitment to upholding electoral justice. Attorney General Dorcas Oduor, who also spoke at the event, urged the judiciary to offer financial support to the IEBC, especially during the ongoing by-elections where funding shortfalls are causing delays. A Kibera court has ordered Kenyatta National Hospital and Nairobi Women's Hospital to submit the medical records of Kennedy Kalombotole, the main suspect in the murder of 2 patients at Kenyatta National Hospital. Magistrate Daisy Mutahi directed that the records be provided by Thursday before ruling on the police request to detain Kalombotole for 21 more days to allow further investigations. Kalombotole will remain in custody at Kilimani Police Station until July 24th. Investigators have also requested his DNA samples to compare with evidence from the crime scene and the victims. Still in court, a court in Olkalou has reduced the bond for 9 people accused of damaging property during the 25th Gen Z protest from 10 million Kenyan shillings to 200,000 Kenyan shillings, with 2 assurities of the same amount. Defense lawyers Nderi Ndiani and Kiragu Watutha welcomed the decision, saying the original bond was excessive considering the accused person's circumstances. The court also directed DPP to complete investigations for 19 other suspects and return confiscated items including phones, laptops and clothing. The case is set for hearing on September 1st when the court is expected to issue a ruling. 5 suspects linked to the murder of 24-year-old Angela Muthoni were arraigned at Olkalou law courts but did not take plea. The prosecution requested more time to complete investigations, and Magistrate Lynn Atamba Mwera granted police 14 additional days. The suspects are expected back in court on August 11th. Preliminary findings indicate that 4 of the suspects assisted the main accused Alex Ndungu in transporting Muthoni's body using a tuk-tuk, first to a local clinic, then to Nyahururu Hospital, where she was confirmed dead and had reportedly been deceased for 2 hours. Her family and human rights activists are now calling for justice. Activist Boniface Mwangi has been released on a 1 million personal bond after appearing at the Shakahola law courts, where he was charged with possessing ammunition without a valid firearm license. He pleaded not guilty. The DCI dropped earlier terrorism-related charges against him. Mwangi's lawyers have requested the case to move to the Milimani law courts, arguing that the terrorism charges are no longer relevant. The case will be mentioned in 14 days for pre-trial directions. Meanwhile, 11 suspects linked to a possible revival of Shakahola cult were arraigned in a Malindi court. They were arrested in 𝐿𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵 village near the famous Shakahola forest in Kilifi County, where 1 body was found and 4 severely malnourished individuals were rescued. Among those arrested is a couple previously associated with the Paul Mackenzie's cult. The DCI is seeking to detain the suspects for 30 more days to complete investigations.